Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're a fan of electric bikes, then you're in for a treat today because we're going to be reviewing the amazing DEEPOWER A1 folding electric bicycle. This bike is an absolute game-changer, and it's perfect for commuting, mountain biking, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride around town. Let's start off by talking about the impressive specs of this Ebike. The DEEPOWER A1 features a powerful 1000W motor and a 48V20Ah battery, giving you the ability to reach a maximum speed of 60 km/h and a maximum mileage of 4,550 kilometers. It also has a climbing capacity of up to 35 degrees, making it perfect for tackling hilly terrain. In addition to its powerful motor and long-lasting battery, the DEEPOWER A1 is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. It comes with a waterproof PVC leather seat, a handy cell phone holder with USB charging capabilities, and a 7-speed Shimano transmission for smooth and easy gear changes. Not only is this Ebike packed with amazing features, but it's also incredibly sturdy and durable. With a maximum load capacity of 150 kilograms and dual shock absorbers on the front fork, you can rest assured that this bike can handle whatever you throw at it. And the best part? The DEEPOWER A1 is incredibly compact and easy to store thanks to its folding design. Plus, with quick-release handlebars, you can easily adjust the size of the bike to fit your needs. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance electric bike, then the DEEPOWER A1 is definitely the way to go. And the good news is, you can get your hands on one right now by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own a top-quality Ebike from a trusted and experienced manufacturer. So what are you waiting for? Click that link and get ready to experience the ride of a lifetime with the DEEPOWER A1 folding electric bicycle.